Okay, suppose you have to draw something like this. Don't forget the method we use in class to take proportion. So the length of the body, the width of the body in the largest areas, for example from the elbow to the other elbow, to find the center of the body, maybe to have the same space from the bottom to the groin to the top of the head. And also to compare and contrast these areas. For example, these compare with the shoulder areas, as you see is large as to the neck, or like these tricep to the elbow. How big is this? You can compare and contrast with something else. So anything can help you in the construction of the drawing faster and more precisely. Vertical lines, horizontal lines as well. Of course, a vertical line help me. Vertical line that I can actually decide to do in the middle of elbow to elbow. For example, here, the elbow is there and there, the center here. So as you see, this vertical line passes through the neck of her. Then I choose the measurement. I can do a bit smaller, like that. So my feature, the whole feature will fit from here to here. I can compare and contrast the width, the maximum width of her, which is this. How many times does it fits in the total body? 1, 2, 3. So I do the same over here. And so I know that this one is also the width of the body. Put in the center. Do my best to center it. Like this. And now I have a sort of window parallelogram. The feet are over here, the head is over there. I know that on this line past the neck over, actually I sketch a bit more faster now. I know that the head will somewhere over there. I can recognize this kind of diagonal like this. You can do elbow to elbow is the same measurement, same measure that from the breast to the top of the head. So this leg, as you see, join with the elbow, so the leg is over there more or less. I can find the bottom of the groin. We know that's supposed to be in the center of the body, so exactly in the center of this. As I told you, mine is a bit smaller, so I have to measure mine before, more or less. Over here I have my bat, so you know this, it's over there. So if this one is the center of my body and this one is the outline, my bat will be somewhere over here. So I know that my leg run from this one actually is close to the end of the window. This is the window, and the heel joint with the center lines I made before. As you see, the ankle joint with this line, so here. And so I can start sketching very rough my leg, both my legs. The other one actually, it's a bit shorter because in perspective because it is in perspective. And so the other legs is over here. Sketch very rough first as a puppet. Then here we know this is the diagonal we were talking about before. Here the hair, so we don't see what happened over there, but if you know that this shoulder is over there, as we said, the face is here, so the shoulder is over here. This is the neck portion, so this is the thickness of the neck we are able to see, but actually there is something else over here that we are not able to see. Actually, I show you on my drawing that this shoulder, obviously like that, no, this is the space it has. This one is a bit more bent, so this is what happened. The shoulder, this is what happened on the tricep and bicep that are in perspective as well. Here there is actually the bending of the elbow, and this is the top of the bicep that actually we are not able to see very well. Here the wrist, and then the end, which is actually hidden from the other end. Then here at the bottom of the forearms, we said before that the elbow should be somewhere, no, over there, like in front of the forehead, so might be there. Three pencils, HB and 4B, the one I used to sketch, which is the softer one. Now that the design is done, if you would like to try to apply some shading, you should start first with this, the softer, to apply the first base shading. You can probably erase the lines that are too strong, too thick. Then with the HB, you can looking for the shape once again without to push too much. So try in this way, a little by little, to shade the whole body, but you must have the design obviously well done before. That's why proportion at first, huh?